COVID-19 cases have been increasing in Indonesia and officials have shortened the year-end holidays. Tighter restrictions have been imposed in and out of certain provinces. But as Chani Vatvani finds out, some are still willing to brave the risks.
38-year-old Andi Supriyono is getting ready to travel to his hometown, Purwokerto in central Java. It's a 7-hour journey he makes with his wife and daughter every year, so they can spend time with their families over the new year. And the COVID-19 pandemic isn't getting in the way of that. Authorities have advised people against heading out of town during the year-end holiday, and they've tightened restrictions. Those looking to enter certain provinces, such as Jakarta, will have to take rapid antigen tests. And PCR tests are compulsory for those intending to fly to popular holiday spot, Bali. Mr. Andi says he and his family are not obliged to stay put. And he's not afraid of catching the coronavirus either, insisting he and his family follow safe distancing protocols anyway.
Kita mendengarkan peraturan itu sendiri, kita mengikuti, tapi tidak diwajibkan untuk diikuti. Jadi kan ya mau mudik saja seperti itu. Ya kita menjaga jarak, kerumunan ya tetap menjaga jarak. Walaupun itu banyak orang ya kita selalu jaga jarak.
Indonesia's transport ministry has predicted an increase of between 15 to 18% up from normal conditions in the volume of traffic that will pass through the Jakarta and Greater Jakarta toll roads during the holidays.
While authorities still expect the roads to be bustling with travelers, restrictions for air travel, on the other hand, seem to be working. Since the new test requirement for Bali was announced, there have been over 130,000 ticket refund requests, amounting to more than $22 million in estimated returns. Indonesia has cut short its year-end holidays in a bid to curb the coronavirus outbreak. A planned 11-day break has now been shortened by 3 weekdays. Data from the last 10 months have shown a spike in coronavirus cases after extended holiday periods.
Kita sudah pengalaman dengan 3 kali libur panjang, dan semua dari libur panjang itu mengakibatkan peningkatan kasus antara 50 sampai 100%. Sekitar 14 hari, 10 sampai 14 hari berikutnya. Dan itu jangan sampai kita ulangi lagi. Maka dari itu pemerintah betul-betul mengatur liburan Natal dan Tahun Baru dalam rangka pelajarannya cukup 3 kali saja gitu, jangan 4 kali.
In Jakarta, the epicenter of Indonesia's COVID-19 outbreak, stricter restrictions to curb movement and social activity are in place from 18th of December to 8th of January. These include limiting operating hours and crowd numbers in places such as malls, restaurants, and places of worship. Public celebrations ahead of the New Year will also be banned. The Jakarta administration has encouraged people to stay home this holiday period, but with pandemic fatigue setting in, authorities may have to brace themselves for yet another post-holiday surge in coronavirus cases despite their efforts. Chani Vatvani, CNA, Jakarta.